How to fix audio-video sync issues in Kdenlive. First of all, open your Kdenlive project and load the video clip with audio sync problems into the timeline. Play the clip to identify where the audio is out of sync with the video. If your video has separate audio and video tracks, try unlinking them first by right-clicking on the clip and selecting Ungroup Clips. This will allow you to move the audio independently. Next, zoom into the timeline for precise editing. Then manually adjust the position of the audio clip by dragging it left or right to perfectly match the video. For small sync issues, notch the audio clip frame by frame using keyboard shortcuts to fine-tune. If the audio and video lengths don't match due to different frame rates or formats, consider re-encoding your footage or audio to a consistent frame rate before editing. Once the audio aligns perfectly with the video, preview the clip fully to confirm the sync is accurate. Now you know how to fix audio-video sync issues in Kdenlive easily. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.